G'day folks, welcome back to my channel. Thought I'd quickly do a 12-month review on my Aussie Tonneaus tonneau cover. Probably the cheapest one on the market, to be honest with you. I've had it 12 months, I've used it for pretty much all that time. My car's been outside because there's too much crap in my garage at the minute, so it'd be good to see how it's held up. What I will say, 12 months down the track, super happy. Can't complain. It's been actually really good. It's held up pretty well. Like all tonneaus, it probably stretches a bit and moves, but still holds a nice tight seal. You know, clips on and clips off pretty easily. As you can see, the ropes and everything have held up nicely inside. Have used that a bit, sort of clipping in when you can't get your tonneau in when you've got stuff in the back that's too big. It does fold up reasonably well. And has been pretty good. If anything, the only thing I will say is there's just a couple of little things, like the stitching here in the corners just doesn't sit right in there, but if you tuck it in, it's good. It holds it nice and watertight, like I haven't had any water in it. I'll just quickly show you a couple of things. So the corners hold up really nice. You know, you can't get anything in there. It sits really well. The only thing is it probably just doesn't line up here quite right. But I'm actually yet to have a tonneau that has on any of my utes. So you probably get a little bit of water in there if it was pouring rain and rain the right way, but everything else is pretty good apart from that. Look, it's a bit dirty at the minute, I will say, and it has stretched a little bit, but it's still holding a nice taut, tight seal. When you give it a clean, it comes up pretty well. So look, I really can't complain, to be honest with you. For a cheap tonneau, I think it was only a couple of $100. It's done its job. So 12 months down the track, would I still recommend it? Absolutely. Like I said in the original video, it was easy to fit. Come with really pretty good instructions. Got delivered to my door really quickly, and can't complain. So I'll give you a review down the track, and hopefully it keeps holding up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit notifications, and hopefully we can bring you some more content as it comes along. Thanks very much.